Hello class and welcome to week 6. The topic of our lesson this week is goal setting, and it ties in beautifully to last week's topic of career and vocational goals. So as we jump into the lesson, I want to go through some specifics of this week. Okay, you can see in this first little video clip I share with you, it's by President Clark, who was the former president of BYU Idaho, and he shares a 2-minute video about learning and about becoming. And it's a powerful video clip with great promises. I encourage you to click on this and take to heart what he teaches and what he has to say. For this week, I'd like to just draw your attention to a couple things. Here's some counsel for you. Looking back, is it helpful to look back? You can read my experience there. But I would encourage us to look back a little bit and spend some time to reflect on the progress which we've made. Think of your first week in Pathway. Think of your English abilities. Think of your understanding and your academic skills. Have you improved? I think you have. And sometimes that change is imperceptible, but I believe you have. So take a look back and congratulate yourself on the progress that you've made thus far. Your writing tip this week: as we write, just like many languages, sometimes you have a word that might be used in a different part of speech. For example, we might have a word that's a verb or an adjective. In English, it's no different. So let me give you this example. The word perfect is an adjective. And listen to the pronunciation. Jesus is perfect. He lived a perfect life. Now we can use that same word and use it as a verb. As I practice, I try to perfect my pronunciation in English. You can hear the difference. Perfect, perfect. And so pay attention when you do your vocabulary quizzes. Oftentimes they're going to ask you to use a particular vocabulary word, but it'll tell you whether they want you to use it as an adjective or as a verb, or it might be a noun or another part of speech. So pay attention to that, please. Last of all, I just want to close with President Heber J. Grant, one of my favorite prophets. He was not the most talented individual, but he had something that is so inspirational. He worked hard, and through his hard work, he was able to do amazing things. And I am a firm believer, if we work hard consistently, the Lord blesses that effort. He really does. And we might not be the most talented in the world, but we can become better. And read this experience about how he learned how to sing. He had some other experiences which were marvelous about his athletic ability, about his handwriting. Read this. I think you'll enjoy it. I wish you the best of luck this week, and please, if you have any struggles or questions, please get in touch with me, and I'm happy to help you out. Thank you, and enjoy the week.